Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling LTCUSD, Litecoin, and we will be going over current events and news, as well as a deep dive into the charts. Starting with the daily chart, we observe a recent surge in Litecoin's price, potentially influenced by the positive news surrounding the potential Litecoin ETF and Bitcoin's price increase. Let's analyze this upwards trend further. Notice the increase in volume during these bullish periods. This surge in price is not only significant from a long-term perspective, but also creates short-term trading opportunities. The hourly chart shows a series of higher highs and higher lows, supporting the bullish momentum. Let's pinpoint key support levels that could potentially fuel further gains and key resistance levels that may cap the price action. The increasing volume during these upward movements indicates significant buying pressure. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can identify shorter-term fluctuations and potential entry and exit points for both long and short positions. The chart illustrates short-term reversals and consolidations, offering dynamic trading opportunities for astute traders. Observe how these short-term price changes can still be placed within the context of the daily and hourly chart trends. Let's now correlate the news and events to the observed chart patterns. The recent positive news about the potential Litecoin ETF appears to have significantly boosted investor confidence, driving up demand. This increase in demand is clearly reflected in the volume and price increases across all timeframes. The correlation between Litecoin's price action and Bitcoin's recent multi-month high further reinforces this positive sentiment. Now, a recap of the important price levels. On the daily chart, the $70 level presents significant support, while the $80 level could act as resistance before further gains above $85. The hourly chart suggests immediate support around the $75 mark and resistance in the $80 to $85 range. Short-term price targets on the 15-minute chart are highly dependent on current market conditions. We expect some consolidations near the $80 level in the short term. Longer term, there is room for upside, depending on wider market trends. The likelihood of hitting these price levels is contingent on several factors, including wider market trends, news events, and investor sentiment. A sustained rise in Bitcoin's price would likely boost Litecoin's price further, pushing it towards the higher target levels, as per the correlations identified earlier. Any news impacting crypto regulation could affect this forecast significantly. The volume in future trading activity will be an important indicator of underlying market sentiment. In conclusion, while the current trend points towards a bullish outlook, keeping a close watch on these support and resistance levels is crucial for successful trading.